Have you ever worried about someone sneaking into your Gmail account? Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Gmail's two-factor authentication, also called 2FA. A simple yet powerful way to make your email much more secure. By the end of this video, you'll have an extra layer of protection that makes it far harder for anyone to access your account without your permission. Start by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to the central hub where all your Google account settings are managed. Next, on the left-hand menu, click Security. Here you can review and adjust everything related to your account's protection. Scroll down to the section called How You Sign into Google and find Two-Step Verification. Click on it to get started. You'll see a brief overview of the feature and a Turn On button. Click that and the setup process begins. Two-step verification works by requiring a second form of verification whenever someone tries to sign in from an unrecognized device or location. This could be a text message, a phone call, or an authentication app. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your phone number. You'll receive a code via text or call. Enter it to confirm your device. Once the code is accepted, two-factor authentication is activated. Don't forget to click Done to finalize the setup. And just like that, your Gmail account is significantly more secure. With two-factor authentication enabled, even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without that second layer of verification. Thanks for watching.